back to the channel. Today we're diving into a car that combines American luxury heritage with a modern twist, the all-new 2025 Cadillac Brougham. This legendary nameplate has returned, and it's bringing back the spirit of old-school elegance while packing in today's high-tech features and bold performance upgrades. From the moment you see it, you know this isn't just another sedan. It's a statement of presence, status, and sophistication. The exterior of the 2025 Brougham is nothing short of commanding. Cadillac has done an incredible job of blending vintage cues from the classic Brougham with a thoroughly modern design language. The massive front grille, trimmed in brushed chrome, is flanked by slim, vertically stacked LED headlights that give it a sharp and regal look. Long, sculpted lines run across the body, giving the car a stately, stretched profile reminiscent of luxury sedans from the golden era. The rear features a subtle lip spoiler integrated into the trunk, full-width taillights, and tasteful Brougham badging that glows softly at night. The whole car sits low and wide, exuding confidence whether it's parked or in motion. You can get it in several premium colors, including a deep royal garnet, black diamond, and crystal frost silver, all matched with polished alloy wheels ranging from 19 to 21 inches. Inside the 2025 Cadillac Brougham is an oasis of craftsmanship and technology. The cabin is wrapped in semi-aniline leather with real wood and metal accents throughout. Ambient lighting runs across the dashboard and doors, setting a luxurious tone. The seats are plush and deeply contoured, with heating, cooling, and massage functions available in both front and rear. Cadillac's new 38-inch curved OLED display spans the dashboard, giving you crisp control over everything from navigation to media and climate. The system runs on the latest Cadillac UI with built-in Google Assistant, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and a high-end 40-speaker AKG sound system that makes every drive an immersive experience. Rear passengers are treated like royalty with their own touchscreens, climate controls, and even a refrigerated compartment in the center armrest. Performance-wise, the 2025 Brougham doesn't just look powerful, it delivers. Under the hood, you can choose between a refined 3.0-liter twin-turbo V6 or a 4.2-liter Blackwing V8, pushing out up to 550 horsepower in the top trim. Both options are paired with a smooth 10-speed automatic transmission and available all-wheel drive. The suspension has been tuned for maximum comfort with adaptive air ride technology that effortlessly absorbs bumps and adjusts ride height as needed. It glides down the road quietly and confidently, offering a mix of limousine-level comfort and surprising agility. Drivers will also appreciate the semi-autonomous driving features powered by Cadillac's Super Cruise, which allows for hands-free highway driving on compatible roads. When it comes to pricing, the 2025 Cadillac Brougham starts at around $74,000 for the base luxury trim. The premium luxury and platinum trim step things up with more features, reaching close to $95,000. The top-of-the-line V-Series Performance Edition, with the Blackwing engine and exclusive design elements, comes in at just over $110,000. Considering the blend of nostalgic design, cutting-edge tech, and performance muscle, Cadillac is clearly aiming to rival the likes of the Mercedes S-Class and BMW 7 Series with a distinctly American flavor. That's our full look at the 2025 Cadillac Brougham, a luxurious comeback that honors the past while stepping boldly into the future. If you love cars that offer comfort, class, and real personality, this one deserves a top spot on your list. Let us know what you think of this reinvented classic in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss our next in-depth review. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.